What's up, guys? They watching another video. Just made it here to 412. Haven't been here in a very long time, but we're back. The GTR is here, and today we're finally doing something that everyone has been commenting about to lower my GTR. Finally, we bought some lowering springs for the car. We went with some Swift lowering springs. Yeah, Swift Sport Springs. Hopefully it's low enough. I went with lowering springs. I was gonna do coilovers, but I just want to see. Maybe lowering springs will be low enough. And we're also doing an oil change because I'm very behind on the oil change. Look how freaking fat these tires are, bro. That's so crazy. That shit is huge. All right, guys. So I think it might be a pain in the ass, to be honest, to do this. We're gonna have to remove all the back seats. Oh my God, what did I just break? We're gonna have to remove all the back seats. Pretty much like, dude, we're watching videos and people like gut the entire car just to get to the back strut. So hopefully it's not that hard, but we'll see. Charles said might as well put a roll cage in right now.
For what?
Put a roll cage in right now? Since we're doing all this, I want to get a roll cage, honestly. I've been thinking about it.
Pretty sick.
But it's expensive. All right, we got the seats out. Now I think we take out more interior. Bro, this is crazy. I did not think we had to do all this just to get to the freaking rear struts, bro. Hopefully it's not that hard to put back together, bro. That's the scariest part. You guys, look at this. Full seat delete in the rear. Full interior delete, bro. Mark's Huracan's here right now. I don't know what they're doing to it, but you guys remember this from the last video. Woo! Looks so freaking sick. 412 got some pretty sick cars like always. And look at this, guys. Oh my God. This is legit my dream car right here. A Aventador SV. Woo. If I got one, it would be black or red though. But oh my God, bro, this car is beautiful. This is literally my all-time favorite car, guys. Aventador SV. Full carbon fiber doors and everything. Carlos. But yeah, it's so freaking sick, dude. Should we do some skating videos? We got the rear ones out. It was a pain in the butt. I don't know why they made it so difficult, but it is a lot of work to take all the interior out just to get this out. So now we just gotta replace the springs, put the new ones on. But hopefully this thing is a lot lower. I hope it's worth it. We got one of them done. There it is, the rear. I'm excited to see how these drive. Damn, I need this, bro. This is what I need right here. I need two of them. Guys, I've been thinking about upgrading my turbos on the GTR. I think I might do it soon. It's gonna be sick. I can't wait. The shit's fast enough, but I'm already getting a little used to the power. It's very fast, but I'm already used to it. I need more, bro. Guys, look what just pulled up. Oh my God, dude, another Aventador. They just sound insane pulling up, dude. They sound so crazy. This shit's so crazy, bro. Sheesh, it looks sick. Sam got a new livery. I don't know if I've showed you guys in the vlog yet, but he rewrapped his car blue. No more green. Can I drive it? Sam just laughs.
Just sell your car to Carlos.
My E46?
You want to sell it?
50 grand.
50 fucking...
I know, guys. I gotta start taking my drift car out. Carlos really wants to buy it. But dude, I just need to start driving it more. I'm telling you, I need to just sell the United 2, get a truck, and just start drifting. All right, since my car's on the lift, Carlos is letting me whip the Z. Guys, I've been wanting the Z, dude, really bad. Woo! He told me he would sell me this one, 370Z. It would be sick. I think I might get a 350Z soon, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I've been really looking into them. I just want a new project car, and I think a Z would be sick. Oh, it's gonna be sketch. I haven't driven stick shift in a long time. Like, it almost sounds similar, to be honest, just without the turbo noise. We're about to go get some food real quick. Woo! This car is honestly so much fun to drive. I'm only driving it up the street too. Guys, he even has the e-brake. Drifting, the daily. Bro, this thing is so sick. Should I just buy this one, guys? I remember a couple months ago, we were literally talking about trading cars. This for my E92. Like just a trade. It would be pretty crazy, honestly. Alright guys, we got the lowering springs on. I filmed a little bit. I just don't want to make the vlog boring, but we finally got them on. Charles is over here staying late. Another time, bro. I make Charles stay late all the time, dude. But now we're about to do the oil change real quick, and then we're finally done. Bro, the exhaust is changing colors, dude. It's all purple. That's crazy. It's probably nasty, dude.
No oil in the hands either. It's not about the speed, people.
Alright, it's finished. Check it out, guys. Woo! It's honestly way lower. Like, look how low it is, bro. Finally, the gap is like cleared. It fits flush. I think if it was lower than this, it would probably rub, honestly, because I have these fat tires. But I think it's literally perfect. I'll put a before picture right here, but you can tell how much of a gap there used to be. This shit was actually a monster truck, bro. It looks way better now, and it's not even settled yet. With springs, once you drive on it for a couple days, it should settle even more. So it might go down a little bit more. I think it's perfect though, bro. Look how sick that looks. And the front end looks clean. Dude, it's like perfect. It's like the perfect amount of gap. Yeah. It's not too low, not too high. Guys, look at this. This dude just pulled up to the gas station in a black R32 next to my black R35, bro. Looks so sick. Imagine I had both of them. I wish, dude. That's just so sick. I told him I'll trade him. He said he's down. We literally just wiped my whole entire car down with detail spray. A quick little car wash. We got Gustavo, Dummy Kicks, all the E85 boys, huh? What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video, another early morning car event today. Probably gonna be a lot of driving today. As you guys saw, we met up with the homie Kicks and Gustavo. Everybody hit this little cars and coffee today. And then after, I think we went on a little cruise with a bunch of supercars or something like that. I don't know. I could bet that I'm gonna go through 2 tanks of E85 today, watch. And guys, I think I'm the slowest one in the pack now. Kicks finally is on E85, and the Nismos come with bigger turbos. So I'm pretty sure that thing's faster than my car. Maybe we'll get it running today. And then Gustavo the other night, I didn't film it, but Gustavo kind of beat me. I think he's faster though, bro. Now I definitely want to go upgrade my turbos. The Supra. Oh my god, look how clean this F80 is, bro. That color is crazy. That's literally the same color that Manny wants to wrap his F80. Alright guys, we just made it to the meetup spot. Look at the GTRs, dude. Sheesh. Guys, it looks so much better now that it's lowered. That's like how it's supposed to look, bro. Gustavo, the fat tire. Anthro Supra, the homie's vet. Everyone's cars are all clean and mine's all dirty. Look at this. Damn, guys, look at this GT3. GT3 RS. Sheesh. Bro, those things sound so good. Look how freaking loud that shit is. Oh my god, bro. I think they rev out to like 9,000 RPM. Gustavo's trying to race him. I know he is. He doesn't want to race, bro. Alright, we made it. There's already some sick cars. Damn, that shit's clean. E92 boys. Guys, look at this RX-7. Holy crap, bro. That thing is beautiful. Sheesh. Look at the color. Well, we didn't make it on the roof. We had to park underground, which kind of sucks, but this meet gets packed. It's funny, the little like people organizing it, they said they had room for the GTRs but not the Supras. That's messed up, huh? Damn, the homie pulled up in the E92. I think I vlogged this car meet before, but there's like a variety of everything. Like there's old school stuff, new stuff, GTR boys, the whole FRS gang. We got an E30 M3. I love those cars. This is the one we saw on the freeway. It's so freaking nice, bro. I love that color. I thought it was a wrap, but it's actually paint. I think that's like a special color or what? I didn't even know they come like that. And then this one too. I think I heard him, he said this one's wrapped though, but so sick. That shit's so clean and red. With the wing. Bro, that wing is so sick. Look at this plate though. Bro, how did people come up with this stuff? Oh my god, a 2JZ. In black? Bro, black paint just looks so good.
Come on, bro. You're gonna tell me these headlights aren't better than the fucking facelift?
The two NSXs,
bro.
Damn, look at these two Audis. Both of them have like really sick colors. This red is crazy. Look how crazy this shit is. Oh my god, bro. I think more of the engine is out of the car, bro. That shit's insane. Imagine seeing this shit from the back, bro.
You're pulling up to that shit.
Pulling up next to it at a red light? Nah. Look at this, guys. Oh my god, we got the mom car, right? You wouldn't expect nothing, and then boom.
Because they turn them every
just get gapped by somebody. By somebody's mom.
Oh, fuck.
That turbo's huge.
Yeah, this shit fucks. Yeah, so how many bones?
I actually thought about wrapping the GTR like a satin gray like this. It just looks mean. Like it's still dark, almost like my black, but I don't know, a little bit stands out a little bit more, you know? That color is sick. I don't like green, but it's pretty cool. It's a cool color scheme. SVJ, dude. This is the car I'll take out of all of them. Yeah. I swear. Insane car, bro. This car's insane, dude. Look at the doors, dude. Oh my god, it's so sick. I'm gonna go like this. Thumbnail. My new car. This is how I want my Jeep, guys. That shit is huge, bro. Bro, the tires are literally bigger than this Mustang, bro. M3, dude. I need that too.
100 grand for an old ass Beamer.
For sure, 100 grand, bro. That shit's crazy. Yeah. This thing's really freaking clean. Oh my god, it literally looks brand new, guys. Look at this. Interior looks nicer than my freaking GTR interior. Wow, that's clean. Big ballers are here. This is the only C8 that I like, bro. The only one.
Look how much you gotta do to it.
I know, look how much you gotta do, how much money you gotta spend. Viper ACR. This color is crazy, dude. So yeah, guys, there's a lot of freaking cars here. A lot. And very expensive cars. I want one again so bad. This one's super clean too, with the wing. That's the only thing I was missing, was the wing. I was gonna put the wing on. I was literally gonna get that diffuser too and just call it a day, like just like this. So clean. What is this, dude? I've never seen this in my freaking life, bro. Imagine driving this shit. I saw this thing from way over here. Look how clean this one is. Oh my god, bro, that shit's sick. I like the wheels, bro. That shit's hard. E36 and an E30.
Bro, 2 generations.
I know, that's crazy, bro. Wow, guys, look at this Huracan. Liberty Walk kit. The same one that Tanner Fox has on. I think they're like pretty rare, the freaking Liberty Walk Huracans. Those kits. Midnight Purple R33. On some TEs. Wow, bro, that shit's beautiful. That's so freaking nice, dude. Guys, look, the homie's E36. Look at this, he drives this low. All static, too. That's crazy. Mustang is so loud.
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Well, y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights.